Get in! Lock and unlock your Mini with comfort access without even taking out your vehicle key. Your Mini automatically recognizes the key when it is close nearby. Just press the button on the door handle and pull. Voila! Open Mini. Just press the button again to lock all of your doors. Clever! If your key is inside, your Mini simply won't lock. You can also open the boot without pressing the remote key. With the key in your pocket, just touch the opening sensor in the tailgate handle and open. Closing the boot lid automatically locks it again, so the car remains completely locked. Safe and easy. To change the unlocking and locking behavior of your Mini, go to My Mini, Vehicle Settings, Doors Key. Select if you want just the driver's door to be opened or all doors. Need to access your Mini's boot with hands full? Your feet are all you need. If your MINI Countryman is equipped with the optional automatic tailgate. With the key in your pocket, just stand centrally behind your Mini. Kick your foot underneath the rear bumper and pull it back immediately. Your Mini flashes the indicator lights to signal that the boot is about to open all by itself. That's a key moment. The same foot movement closes your MINI Countryman's tailgate again. Careful! Please always make sure that the area of movement of the tailgate is clear. Your Mini fits you perfectly. Revisit the Doors Key menu to adjust the tailgate opening height by selecting Tailgate and the preferred height. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.